we want to welcome our guest, Monika. She's with a company called D Mays, and she's going to tell us how to, again, renovate or build a home that you love and not a nightmare that you can't afford. So, Monika, tell us a little bit about yourself and how we can avoid home renovation from being a nightmare.
Well, thank you for having me. And I love talking about this subject. So it's a pretty exciting time for me to be sharing this knowledge. I believe you can put in the comments, right, the link to my free masterclass, which is I put 25 years of my expertise in the building industry into that. And it's a must see if you are thinking about home renovation or building, whether it is now or 5 years from now, because all the time spent now for educating yourself is going to give you huge returns in the future. So, who am I? I am essentially someone who helps homeowners avoid the notorious horrors of evaporating money, questionable quality, shady contractors, never ending work, and very, very serious burnout, emotional and financial burnout. Because the fact is that even before COVID, 92% of real estate projects experienced delays, and about between 68 and 72% of homeowners end up blowing their budgets. So the name of my business, Demazing, was actually bestowed upon me years ago when a female client of mine said, Monika, before you, I felt with my project as if I were in a maze. I didn't know whether to turn left or right. And she said, do you realize that you cracked the code of the maze? You are so demazing. So you can find me on my website at demazing, and it's DE-MAZING.com, where in addition to the free masterclass, I also have a free ebook, and you can also schedule free construction therapy sessions with me, quick sessions to see where you are and how I can specifically help you. Because each project is very, very unique when it comes to you, the homeowner, even though the process, regardless of whether you are geographically and regardless of whether you are doing a big project or a small project, certain things are always the same. They are not, they never change. So I am called a curator because I curate the entire process from A to Z, from this aha moment of an idea for a project in your head, all the way to the Zen-like feeling of your housewarming party. And I handle all the mind-boggling in between. So helping people understand what the process is. Then I bring all the appropriate players to the table, the contractor, the architect, or other design professional. And then I manage the entire process, being an advocate for a homeowner, keeping everyone accountable, including the homeowner.